Hey everybody, Jim King back out here checking on our Claycomo job. This is the south wall. It's wall braced. This section right here, I was not responsible for the floor, but this section right here was crap. So we at least filled it in and make it look as good as we can. But the walls are Piers strong. I can't do any better job than what we did. There's Piers underneath the wall. There's Piers 2s underneath the wall. Wall's been straightened as much as we can straighten it. It's been braced. And it's been coated with concrete and steel wire mesh. Same with over here. North and south walls are complete. This wall right here, we just beautified it. It doesn't get wall braces, doesn't need them. But it's got the wire mesh and coat of concrete over it. For all in all, it's turned out a success. Made the home now able to sell once they get the upstairs remodeled and they do something with this floor. So Piers out here in Claycomo for all your foundation repair needs. I believe we are the nation's best, and without a doubt in Kansas City, the numero uno in engineering sound foundation repair. We believe we get paid to make homes better, not worse, and it's not temporary foundation repair. We do everything we can do with our knowledge to make the home foundation a permanent fix. So we always do a little bit extra. I think this is the finest company in Kansas City when it comes to foundation repair, engineering sound foundation repair. You can give me a call, 816-521-8915, or you can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.